Katipudi Da and Shakalaka Baby, and It's a Time to Disco. I mean, everything gets your feet dancing, and even if you wake up in the middle of the street, you will start dancing. So what do you have to say about such songs?
Well, they're up tempo and they're fun, and I don't have to say anything. I just have to look at the faces of the people in my audience when I go out and do a concert, and it's amazing how much happiness these songs bring them. If it makes them have that one evening of absolute fun, laughter, they let their hair down and they're having
forget
a great
about
time,
all their work
forget about their
tensions.
worries, then for me it's a success. Then my entire purpose of being a performer, of being there up on stage and actually doing what I love doing, which is performing, it's, how they say in Sanskrit, sarthaka.
Sarthaka, okay. A personal question.
Strengths is my conviction, my ideals. I've been extremely firm. My upbringing has been a huge strength. The love that my parents have given me has been a huge strength for me.
Vasundhara is an actress and a singer. I mean, given the both, which would you choose?
Of course, music.
Of course, music. Okay.
It's not even a question.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
But see, that's again a question I've been asked a lot. It's always going to be something to do with music. Okay. That's for sure. What medium, what context, that really depends on where my interests are at that particular point of time, but definitely music.
Okay. All right. You have friendship again with A.R. Rahman. Do you like
more? It's a relationship of respect. I am totally respectful of his talent as a musician and also as a technician. And it's in the music business, it's very, very rare to see somebody that can balance the two. Because you're either a really good musician because you've got incredible amount of
talent,
heart in the sense that your music, the music that you create has a lot of soul, or you're a really good technician and then there's that element of soul that goes completely missing. So you'll find a lot of people on one side of the fence, but very, very gifted people can actually be both, and so he's one of them.
Tell us about the story before Shakalaka Baby and after.
The story. Well, there's so much before and after. What in particular do you want?
Just tell us, how into Shakalaka Baby.
How did it?
Yeah.
How did it
happen?
I was shooting for Hey Ram in Madras. It was very unexpected for me because I had no idea I was going to be an actress. I was always wanting to be a singer. And when I was shooting for the film, I got a call from Rahman's office. I had met him, like I said earlier, with Praveen. But then when he called me for a song, I was, really happy to be able to go and do that. And I went and recorded the song, and I remember calling my mum and saying, the song is so different. It's so new, this whole mingling of Tamil and drum and bass. It's just so different that either no one's going to give a damn about it or it's going to be a huge hit. Luckily, one of my predictions came true.
Later, what came true.
So, and even today, it's been so long since that song came out. But every time I'm in front of an audience that's listened to Tamil music, they want to hear Shakalaka Baby for sure.
Yeah.
So I'm convinced that even when I'm 65, people will
still
say,
remember you,
please can you
Shakalaka
sing
Baby.
Shakalaka Baby, and I'll say yes, I'll sing Shakalaka Party.
Okay, so that we conclude. So accidents do have a reason why, something like this. So having said that, could you sing for us, please? Shakalaka Baby.
Shakalaka baby, look vid tonalaya. Shakalaka baby, love panna tonalaya.
Vasundhara, thank you so much for being with us and taking time out of your busy schedule.
It's my pleasure.
Being with you.